Your motor vehicle has been booted.
This BR 776 isn't I had registered it for my kid's father a couple years ago. We've been separated for almost 3 years, and I failed to get the plates back from that car.
Where are the plates now on the BR?
I'm not sure. I
776.
believe that they're seized.
All right, this one is a perfect example of what bench breakdown is really about. Not just a ticket, but a pattern behind it. A single mom with 4 kids gets booted over a stack of overnight parking tickets. She comes in basically saying, I'm exhausted, I'm trying. The judge doesn't roast her, but he doesn't let her hide behind the excuse. Then the twist. Someone watching from across the country sends money to help her get a break. Let's run it.
I don't really have contact with my kid's father like that to know.
Okay, well, the last time when's the last time you and he were living together?
It's been about 3 years, Your Honor.
Where is he now?
Around Providence.
How many children do you have?
I have 4.
Yeah. How old are they?
13, 9, 8, 4.
And they're all in school?
Absolutely.
On the vehicle that you drive, you have
I know it looks extensive.
13 overnight parking tickets. That means you leave the car in front of your house overnight
Absolutely.
because you don't have a parking space.
Well, I did have a parking space. Well, the Appleton places, I really didn't, but on the Radcliffe, I did. It was just me being exhausted from
Well,
working.
the question I'm asking you is, why do you leave the car on the street?
Just me being exhausted, Your Honor.
Just what? Speaking to the mic.
being exhausted.
Do you work?
I do.
How many hours do you work?
At that time, I was working 30 to 40. I'm a medical assistant.
Well, my question to you is, you have 4 kids,
I do.
and you're getting tickets every night. Or you got all these tickets, you're getting tickets parking in front of the house. When are you going to learn your lesson?
I've learned them.
Do you have a parking space now where you can park the car?
Absolutely.
What else do you want to tell me about this?
I'm just trying to get my life together. I understand I do owe on parking tickets. I don't want to be negligent to that, but I'm just trying to get my life in order. I'm raising my children on my own, and doing the best that I can.
Here's the issue. First of all, trust me, I understand that you have 4 kids. And I know what it entails to have 4 children and to be the sole support of those kids. And for you doing that and working like you do, I congratulate you. I understand that. I understand that if you're tough and you don't have money, that the last thing on your mind is paying parking tickets because you have to feed the kids, you have to get the kids clothes, you have to take care of the kids. So that's your priority. I understand that too. You know, I'm having trouble understanding why, given all of those issues, that you continue to park on the street overnight. I'm not being critical. I'm not trying to criticize you. I should be congratulating you on some parts of your life that you take care of your kids and you're working. But it's irresponsible of you. You give me an excuse. Well, I'm tired. We're all tired.
This is the real core of the case. Not parking tickets, it's habit and consequences. He's actually acknowledging her situation and then separating sympathy from responsibility. That's the key legal mindset. Your circumstances can explain behavior, but they don't erase the case outcome.
You know, if you're tired and you got a bunch of money and you want to pay the tickets, good, be tired. But you're tired, you got 4 kids, that's your obligation. And you got all these tickets are foolish. I mean, these aren't crimes. It's just irresponsibility when it comes to parking. So you have 2 parts to your life. On this part with your kids, you're very responsible, right? You're a loving, caring mother, and you're working, trying to take care of the kids. On the other hand, right, you're doing something that's hurting that good part of you by being irresponsible. So I want to help you. Right? Now, here's the deal. Don't come back. Okay. When you get tired, say, I'm not that tired that I can't go move the car. Okay? Move the car, because that's your problem. I mean, I also understand that in some municipalities you can park on the street overnight. You can't do that in Providence. Right? There's a wonderful gentleman by the name of Stephen Foraquin from Legacy Oaks Court in Midland, Texas. And he has occasion to view some aspects of this court, and he actually sent me 6 $50 tickets. And what he said in the letter was, as I sit far away in Midland, Texas, my heart breaks for those before you who just need a little break. So he asked that I would use this, to use my discretion. I'm going to use one of these to help you pay your fine.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we're going to remove the boot. Compliments of Mr. Stephen Baraquan, okay?
Thank you.
Actually, his wife's name is on the check too, Tammy. So we want to thank Tammy as well.
Thanks, Tammy.
That's going to release the boot. Now you get a total of $250. How much can you pay a week?
$50? I could pay $200 today.
Well, I'm going to have you pay $100 today. Okay.
Thank you.
And we'll credit this as well. So now you have a balance of $150. How much can you pay a week?
50?
You can't pay 50 a week. All right, 25 a week.
Okay, that's more realistic.
I'm not going to waste the city's resources chasing the father of your children, because it's going to be an exercise in futility. The tickets go back 5 years. We're never going to find them. I can't really change it to his name anyway. I can't change that to his name. We're never going to get the money. So even though you are responsible for that, I'm going to take a big burden off your head. Okay, I'm going to dismiss those tickets, even though they're in your name. You are legally responsible for them, and I'm exercising my judicial discretion. I'm going to dismiss them.
Thank you so much.
So that's not hanging over your head, okay? Pay this, move the...
If you like these real courtroom moments where judges actually explain the logic, hit subscribe and drop a comment. Was this tough love or exactly what she's needed? Next case incoming.